My name is Krishna Gupta and I'm back for the third phase of the experiment. So last time I had prepared both of the mixtures and now I've left them for 27 days, longer than I intentionally intended to. So basically they were just in water, they were undergoing water curing, which makes them more stable, allows them to bind together well and makes them more, makes the compound which is stronger. So as you can see, these are the two mixtures. So this is the first one, that is the 50% concrete one. This mixture is 50% concrete, and then this is the one which was 50% rice sauce cash. So now we'll be opening this one. These are still the molds that we had kept them in before. So as you can see, this is the 50% rice husk ash one. There are a few cracks on this one compared to the one which is cement, but that's because again because of the concentration. So now we'll be doing some tests on them. We'll do the drop test of this.
आराम से उठाओ.
So this current drop test, it broke, but it broke mainly because of the fact that the concentration of rice husk ash was greater. But pause करो. We tried doing the drop test of the 50% rice husk ash one, but it wasn't possible. The main reason it wasn't possible was because of the high concentration of rice husk ash. Normally you need cement to bind with this. Now again I said that rice husk ash could replace cement, not entirely but a small percentage. This was 50% rice husk ash, 30% cement and 20 sand. So unfortunately this wasn't possible. As you can see, it broke apart. You can try it with this, but I don't think it's really gonna work. Yeah, as you can see, it broke, and it's again because of the high concentration of rice husk ash. But now let's try to the other one. I'll be trying the drop test for the second one. So before we actually do the drop test, I'll show you all the blocks. So this is for 50% cement, 30% rice husk ash and 20% sand. So as you can see, it's become very hard, and this is already a lot more steady than the other one. So now I'll be doing a drop test from knee height. So as you can see, it survived and it's not broken at all. You can see the bottom and it's completely fine. So this shows the structural integrity which this block has.